this video, I'm going to show you the best accounting software and invoicing software for your small business. So if you're trying to find the best software that you can use to send invoices and for accounting, then this is a great video because I'm going to show you how you can use this specific platform, which in my opinion is one of the best ones, the most easiest ones to use for a small business. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. So the one that I want to show you is called Freshbooks. Quick disclaimer, I'm not getting paid to promote this. I don't have any affiliate links. These are just my honest thoughts. So the one that I want to show you, like I just said, is called Freshbooks. So Freshbooks is an accounting software, and you can also use it to send invoices for small businesses. Now I do want you to know that there's a free trial available. So if you click start my free trial, you have to enter your email, of course, but there's no credit card required. Let's see if I can click right there. Yep, there we go. So no credit card required, cancel anytime. So that's a great feature already. But if we go to pricing, I do want to show you how much this will cost you right away. But after that, I'm going to get into how you can use it and why this is so easy to use, especially for your small business. But if I go back, you can see that for the light plan, it will cost $13.50 per month, and that comes with 5 billable clients. So if you're a small business with less than 5 clients, which I mean, this plan right there is probably better because it's up to 50 billable clients. 5, I don't think that's enough. But yeah, it really depends on your business. Maybe you've got a business where you can only work with 3 clients at most, then this plan is going to be great. However, I do recommend the Plus plan, and you can also see that that's the most popular plan. However, I'm not going to push you into like buying any of these. Just make sure you go check it out and see which will fit for you. But let's get into the good stuff, where I'm going to show you how you can use this specific platform to send invoices and also accounting. So in order to send invoices, all you need to do is simply add your company details, add your client, add an item or service, and you can then send an invoice. So you can see that I've already done this, but I'm simply going to do it again. So first of all, set up your company details. That's not that hard to do. You can simply you can simply fill in all of your own info, and that works. In order to add a new client, you can click right there, add a client, and that's pretty simple too. Is simply fill in a first name, last name, company name, email, phone number, their address, and that's it. So I'm going to do that right now, and then I'll get back to you guys. And there we go. Ignore all of this because it's random, but click on save once you're done filling in that client's info, and it will then send you back over here. If you then go back to your dashboard, you can see the client has been created. You can add an item or a service. So what you need to do is simply add what you're selling so that on the invoices, you can then click on one of those items. So if you click create new, you can add item or a service. Let's go with service. I'll go with video editor and then video editing. You can then add your price. Let's say that it will cost 75 euros. You simply type in 75. Maybe you charge 900, you type in 900, you then click save, and they will then create that, and there we go. So what you can then do once you've added the client and your services is simply click on send an invoice, which you can do right here, or if you're already done doing this for the first time, you can click on invoices right there, and you can then also click on new invoice in the top right corner, and then this is where you can create that invoice. So you can see that I've got my channel logo added right there. What you can do is simply add your business logo, of course. You can add the client. So let's say I want to send it to Brad Smith. I then click on his like profile kind of, and it will then automatically do all of this. So what you can then also do is click on the specific service that you want to sell to him. So you can simply click on that, and you'll see it then goes to 100, and the amount due goes to 100 euros as well. And you can add multiple of these. So let's say I also want to add that one. You can see the total price is now 1,000 euros. And that's pretty much how you can create an invoice with this software. Next up, add a simple note to your bank transfer details. I would do that, or you can include it on here. And then also the terms. So let's say you want to get paid within like 14 days. You can add that right here. You can also add attachments if you want to. But once you're done doing all of this, you can make it recurring if it is. You can customize the invoice style, so you can change the colors and all of that, but I'm not going to do that for now because it's not really necessary. But once you're done, click send to, send invoice. And there we go. Invoice number 2 has been sent by email. And that's how you can send out an invoice for your small business. Now, why I like this software is because you can now see how much money is outstanding. So I've got 2 invoices that still need to be paid. So in total, that would be 1,200 euros. You can see how much is overdue, how much money is in draft, and you can pretty much get a great overview of all of the invoices that you've sent using this specific software. So this is where you can find all of your invoices. This is where you can find all of your clients. You can see that the menu is very easy to use, right? You simply click on it and it will show you exactly what you've done so far or what needs to be done, or just simple information. If you go to payments, it will be exactly the same. Because the invoices I send out are still outstanding, there are no payments on here, but once they pay, it will show up right here. Now you can also go to your expenses, so you can track your expenses with this software as well. What you can do is simply lay out, like they say, track your expenses, so you can add them manually. You can also connect your bank account, and you can rebill and mark up expenses so that you can get a great overview and understanding of where your money is going, so that you can find out if it's going to places where it shouldn't go. You can also go to estimates, time tracking, projects, and your team. So you can also add your team on this software, which is great. So if you click invite team, you can add them to your specific account, and they will then also be able to get insights to your spending, your invoices, and all of that. So let's say that you're the CEO watching this and you want your team to simply send out all of the invoices. You can add them to the software, and they can then also send out these invoices. So what you can do is add them on here and then give them a role. So you can see that this account is the owner, but you can then also add them as a manager or an editor or anything like that, which is cool. You can do that by clicking invite, and you can see admin, manager, employee, contractor, accountant. You get the point. So yeah, in my opinion, this is a great, if not the best software for accounting for your small business, and also for sending out invoices. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. Let me know if you have any questions, and then I'll see you next time.